Come on.
Don't go in this.
Hey,
I'm going this way.
you're not going that way. Come on.
I am going this way, nigga. Fuck is it? Come here, nigga. Come here, nigga.
On April the 9th, 2022, at approximately 4:30 a.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police Freeway Patrol was responding to a call about a stranded motorist.
Just double checking, there's a red sedan that's literally on the left side wall, berm, like the driver's side is smashed into the wall.
Shortly after arriving on scene, the officer was attacked. The suspect in this case is a Sabat Islam. He was out on bond for 3 cases of armed robbery and 1 case of murder.
What's up, buddy? What's that? I can't hear you. What's going on? What'd you hit?
I really think it was just a, I'm not really sure.
Did your tire blow out? Why are you sitting like that? Did you pee yourself?
Yes.
Where are you coming from, man?
I'm really coming from Columbus, Ohio, and I'm on my way to
You on your way where? I can't hear you, buddy. Traffic's real.
I'm going to visit. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
You're going to visit?
Yeah.
Who are you going to visit?
I'm going to visit somebody else.
Where at? Your car's pretty messed up, man. Your tire's completely off the axle. You got an ID on you, brother? Are you the registered owner of the car? Okay. So where at in Columbus, Ohio were you coming from?
He's coming from,
When? God damn it. Okay. You said the car's registered to you? Yeah. What's your address?
my address is 17.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're laying in your seat like that? And not sitting like a normal driver? I mean, I heard you kicking. What were you kicking when I was pulled up on you? You just trying to get out? Okay. All right, buddy. Well, I'm just trying to figure out what happened. Do you know what it was that you struck? What'd you hit? You don't know? Okay. All right. Shit. All right. Can you hand me the keys to the car? Turn your car off real quick. Hey, partner. Can you turn your car off? Hey. Hey, can you turn your car off for me, buddy, and hand me the keys?
Sorry.
Hey, you're good. Just gonna hang tight in here for a minute. I'm gonna run your tag, see if I can get some info on you, okay? Just stay in the car. Get back in there for me. I don't want you to get hit. Can you just put your leg back in the car? Thank you, sir. What are you doing, man? What you doing, brother? You don't know? All right, I'm gonna have you come sit in my car because I don't want you to get hit by somebody, okay? Do you have anything on you? Any guns, weapons, knives, grenades, rocket launchers, anything like that? All right, let's go ahead and step back here, man. I'll take.
I'm going this way.
No.
I'm going this way.
Hey, brother, come on.
Don't go in this way.
Hey,
I'm going this way.
you're not going that way. Come on.
I am going this way, nigga. Fuck is it? Come here, nigga. 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 Come on. Hey, no! 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 10-3. On the freeway. 670 eastbound at Grandview.
Okay, can I get cars under the 670 eastbound Grandview?
What kind of three knows wrong?
You're airing her?
You're a stupid idiot, man. I was trying to help you out.
You want it?
Thanks. I'm heading your way from the park. You're 670 at 2 a.m.
What are you doing, man?
City Board 66, put up taking emergency in area. Ten 3 on 646, 670 eastbound at Grandview. You guys 10 3 on 646, 670 eastbound at Grandview.
104 pulls up around. We'll be at next one. Wilson Road.
I got you.
153 around from the south.
Got you.